Okay mga guys, so meron tayong 2023 na Outlander. So problema nito, engine cranking but not starting. So step by step natin gagawin yung procedure kung anong problema ng sakyan natin. Okay? Okay mga guys, try natin i-start yung makina. So nag-depress na ako ng brake pedal. Try natin i-start yung engine. Okay, one more. So ayaw mandar mga guys. So try natin na saksakan ng scan tool. Kinabit ko na yung cable ng ating scanner sa ating detailing connector, saka yung BCI light natin, saka yung laptop natin. Okay, check natin kung may DTC yung buong system. Bakit tayo mandar yung makina. Ito tayo sa MUT SA. Okay, scan tool viewer, click natin to. So enter natin yung vehicle information. Okay, so yan na yung ating vehicle information na enter na natin. Then check natin yung engine DTC. Click natin to and check. Then self-diagnosis. Okay, so meron siyang active trouble code P0087-00, low fuel pressure. So check muna natin yung ating fuel pressure kung meron lumalabas na fuel sa pag during cranking. Okay mga guys, so we'll conduct actuator test. We're going to remove this hose. This hose came from our fuel pump. We'll try to actuate the relay if there's fuel goes out or coming out from this hose. Okay. So this clip lock we only release so that we can remove this hose. Okay. Okay. So we already disconnected the hose of our fuel pump. We will try to activate the relay. We will on so that we can check if there's fuel going out from this fuel hose. So this is our fuel pump relay. We will try to activate. So already it's on, then we will click the OK button so that it can activate the fuel pump relay on. Okay, then we will check the hose if there's fuel going up. So no fuel going out from our fuel hose. So we will check the fuel pump motor and the supply if there is positive supply going to our fuel pump. Okay. Okay guys, so we have to remove this middle passenger seat at the middle side. So because the fuel pump is located in this side. Okay. So we have to remove this mounting bolt of our middle passenger seat. So this is the mounting bolt of our rear seat, T50 torch type. So this is our tools to be used. So this is the mounting bolt we have to remove. Okay, so that we can easily remove the mounting bolt at the rear of our middle passenger seat. Here are the two mounting bolts of our middle passenger seat. So yan guys, na remove na natin yung apat na mounting. Then there is a harness, wire harness here. We have to disconnect. And there's a cable here also. We have to dismantle this one. We have to dismantle this cable. Guys, so we remove already the middle passenger seat. We have to remove this carpet so that we can open the cover of our fuel pump. Okay, so we already removed the cover of the fuel pump. So this is the one. We'll disconnect the harness. We will check the supply of our fuel pump motor. Okay, testing yung test light natin. Okay, gumagana. Dalawa lang. Natin yung power supply mga guys. So itong silver na may stripe gray. Check natin yung power supply. Okay. Yung makina. Anong gawin ba, sir? Start mo, paki-start. Start. Okay, merong supply. Okay mga guys, so check natin yung ground, kung buo yung ground. So yung black wire na ito yung ground ng ating fuel pump. Kukuha na natin ng resistance. So yung multitester natin, yung isang test probe lagay natin sa body. Then itong isang test probe natin lagay natin dun sa terminal na ground. Siswa natin yung ating multitester, lagay natin sa resistance, select natin, okay, sa ohms. Then suotin natin yung wire. Yung black. So yung black nasa pang-apat na terminal. So yung black 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4. So yung test probe natin lagay natin sa number 4. Pero 1.5cc lang ha, nakalagay 1.5cc pero yung lakas pa kumukonvert nila sa okay, so buo yung ground natin mga guys. Okay, so buo yung circuit natin, buo yung circuit ng ating fuel pump. So yung fuel pump mismo ang sunod natin chicken. Okay, I fabricated the special tools to remove the fuel pump motor. Then we will insert our special tools in our fuel pump mounting. Okay, so I already inserted our special tools. Then we will turn counterclockwise rotation so that we can remove the fuel pump motor lock mounting. Okay, okay guys, so we already removed the mounting of our fuel pump motor. Okay, Direct the fuel pump to our battery booster. It's working, but the fuel was very dirty. This is positive and this is the negative terminal of our fuel pump motor. We'll direct the battery so that we can clean the fuel inside the fuel pump. Okay. Yalla, sawi.
Sawi na? Nanti soal bro na. Abi video aja tu.
Cleaning.
Alas?
Okay. Finish.
Boleh tani? Ada
More,
awal
one more.
Nasr mod sawi ada gas clean. Buat tani?
Ayo.
Tidak.
Okay, kalas. Finish. Compare to the first one. Okay guys, after we clean the fuel pump together the filter element, we'll fix it back. Then we will check the running condition of our vehicle. Okay. Okay guys, so we fix it back already, the fuel pump. We'll try to start the engine. Okay guys, so we already installed the fuel pump assembly. Then now we will try to start the engine. Okay, so successfully done our diagnosing and cleaning of the fuel pump motor together the element. This special tools is for fuel gauge. Okay. Okay guys, so no more any indicator in our instrument panel after we erase the engine DTC. So thank you for watching and God bless everyone. See you in next video tutorial.